Welcome back to English on Air, the podcast where adults learn real-life English in a fun and simple way.
Hello, everyone. Great to have you here again.
Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt nervous and suddenly you forget everything?
Oh, yes, especially when speaking English.
Exactly. You know the words, you studied, you practiced, but in the moment, your mind is empty.
That's because of stress.
Yes, stress and panic.
And today we're going to talk about something very important. Why staying calm always wins.
Not only in life, but also in learning English.
By the end of this episode, you will learn how to talk about stress and emotions, describe real-life situations, give simple advice, and speak more confidently.
Let's begin. Let's start with a real situation. You want to speak English, but you feel nervous.
Yes, you start thinking, what if I make a mistake?
What if I say something wrong?
And then you stop speaking.
When you panic, you lose focus.
You speak too fast.
You forget words.
You feel uncomfortable. Now imagine a different situation. You feel nervous, but you take a deep breath.
You slow down.
You speak step by step.
And suddenly, your English is better. Let's do a short example. Hello. I don't know.
You see, stress blocks your mind.
Hi. I'm a bit nervous, but I'll try.
Much better. Simple, but clear.
Let's move to another situation. Work.
You have too much work. You feel stressed.
You can say, I feel stressed today.
Or, I have a lot of work. When someone says that, you can respond, that sounds stressful. Try to relax. Take a break.
These are natural responses. Let's talk about advice.
Very important. You can say, stay calm. Take a deep breath. Don't panic.
Simple, but powerful.
Let me share something. Before recording, sometimes I feel nervous.
Really?
Yes, but I take a deep breath. And I start slowly.
And it works?
Yes, always.
So what's the key idea?
Calm equals better thinking.
Better thinking equals better English.
Let's review key words. 1. Calm. Relaxed, not stressed. Example, stay calm.
2. Stress. Feeling pressure. Example, I feel stress.
3. Nervous. Worried or afraid. Example, I feel nervous.
4. Panic. Sudden fear. Example, don't panic. 5. Relax.
5. Relax. To rest. Example, try to relax.
6. Focus. To concentrate. Example, focus on your words. Repeat after us. I feel nervous.
I try to stay calm.
Take a deep breath.
Don't panic.
I feel stressed today.
I need to relax. So now you can talk about stress and calm.
But we're not finished. Because staying calm is not only about words, it's also about how you react in conversations.
In the next part, we'll show you how to stay calm while speaking, how to react naturally, how to sound more confident.
Stay with us. So we talked about stress and how staying calm helps.
Yes, but now let's go deeper. How do you stay calm while speaking English? Because that's the real challenge. The first thing is simple. Slow down.
Yes. Many learners speak too fast when they are nervous.
And when you speak too fast, you make more mistakes.
So take your time. Pause, think, then speak. Another important point. Don't try to be perfect.
Yes, use simple sentences. I feel nervous. I need time.
Simple English is good English.
Let's talk about mistakes.
Many people are afraid of mistakes.
But mistakes are normal.
You can even say, "Sorry, I made a mistake."
That shows confidence.
Let's imagine a situation. You are speaking with someone. You forget a word. I don't know. Sorry.
This stops the conversation.
I forgot the word. But I mean,
Now you continue. Very important. Stay in the moment.
don't think about, my English is bad.
Think about the message. What do you want to say?
Let's talk about voice.
Yes, speak clearly, not too fast, not too quiet.
When you are calm, your voice is stronger. Let's do a full conversation. Hi, I feel a bit nervous today.
That's okay. Take your time.
Thank you. I'll try to speak slowly.
You're doing great. That's a supportive conversation.
You can also help other people.
Yes. If someone is nervous, say, take your time. No problem. You're doing well.
This makes communication easier.
How can you practice calm speaking?
Speak every day, even alone.
Talk to yourself. Describe your day.
I feel tired today. I have a lot of work. Let's repeat the key idea.
Calm mind equals clear words.
Clear words equals better communication.
Let's review key words. 1. Slow down. 2. Speak more slowly. Example, slow down when you speak.
2. Mistake. Something wrong. Example, I made a mistake.
3. Accept. To say it's okay. Example, accept your mistakes.
4. Voice. Sound when you speak. Example, use your voice.
5. Moment. Now. Example, stay in the moment.
6. Support. To help. Example, support your partner. Repeat after us. I will speak slowly.
I don't need to be perfect.
It's okay to make mistakes.
I will stay calm.
Take your time.
You're doing great. Now full sentences. Repeat after us. I feel nervous, but I will try to stay calm.
I will speak slowly and clearly.
It's okay to make mistakes when I speak English.
Before we finish, remember this. You don't need perfect English.
You need calm English.
When you are calm, you think better.
You speak better.
You communicate better.
So next time you feel nervous, take a deep breath, slow down, and speak.
If this episode helped you, share it with someone learning English.
Listen again, repeat again, practice every day.
We'll see you in the next episode of
English on Air. Stay calm.
Keep Speaking.
Bye, everyone.